Yes, my people, good day. This video is part second of the window motor / regulator on the Nissan Pathfinder. I finally got it done. So here I am removing the door panel, finding all the little screws and clips and the little switches and hidden screws and stuff. So I'm removing the door panel because I am getting ready to access the motor regulator assembly, and this is how the panel comes off. This is glued on like Barbara. No, this white plastic that you see here is designed to keep water from coming from outside the car, coming inside the car behind the door panel. So they glue it. They use like a glue all the way around, and it's really difficult. You could tear that plastic in trying to remove it. So the easiest way I've found is using a razor and cut right through the middle of it, and then that way now when I push it back in place, it stays. All right, yes, my people, good day. This is part second, because the first one, the part was incorrect, so we get the part now. So this is the following day. So the problem was these particular vehicles have two types of motors for the window. There's a 6-pin, and this one is 6 pins, and there's a 2-pin. So I had the 2-pin yesterday. So before I put everything, I'm going to plug it in and just operate it, make sure it's moving, just to confirm that my diagnosis was correct. I like to do this. Any surprises, I find out now. Yep, and something fishy going on here. But yep, it does not fit. Still wrong. On to the next thing. We're about to try this again. This is now the next day. So we got the right part this time, hopefully. It look right, the plug look right. Let me plug it in and see. Woo, what a beautiful sound. Alright, next thing now, we're going to power this thing up and see if it operates. So we have to plug the switch in. I just always like checking my stuff before, you know. Here go the motor here, the moment of truth. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ha, so we know. We confirm the fix. Here goes the regulator. Comes in a nice little baggie. Before I remove it from the bag, I just compare the old part to the new part, and it okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Yo, bro. Wow. Man. The parts guy really messed me up though. Ordered the stuff for the 93. The regulator bad now. Oh boy. The parts guy could not find the motor for the correct year. Went down 2 years. And it messed me up bad. Back to the parts store again. Man, boy, I'm out of unbelievable. Alright, yes, my people. Good day again. We're trying again. I think I have all the right parts now. So we already confirmed that the motor is good. So here goes the new regulator. Yeah, that match up. It looks right this time. So yes, we're making some progress. Thank God for that. So this is the part of the old regulator. See where the cables went. So it's screwed in from this side. I'm just going to use an impact driver. This is what we call an impact driver. This tool here, and then you have a series of bits. So you fit it in here, and you twist it to loosen, and you twist it the other way to tighten. Twist it this way to loose. You put it on the ground, and you put the tool in where the Phillips goes. You hold the steady pressure on it. Make sure it's set to loosen, and you just try to hit the screw and not your hand. So we're able to now remove this piece from here. You get to separate it like so. See? So I needed the screws, that's why I took that apart. Alright. you see me here trying to orient the motor onto the new regulator. It looks like it goes on any which way it could work. Man, I'm telling you, they don't make it easy. Nissan stuff is just not nice. This one came off like so. I'm looking at the window regulator like so. It goes to that big hole right there. So after flipping it around, switching around a couple times, looking at the old one and then the new one, I realized how it actually lines up. It is definitely not intuitive. Definitely not. All right. Then I flip it over and then run the screws in. And this is the assembly. And now I'm just proceeding to reinstall the window regulator back into the door. It goes in all as an assembly with the motor already attached to it. Right now I'm just running the screws into the motor itself to hold it to the door. And then after I tighten that up, I plug it in. Make sure that you don't put the door panel back on and you forget to plug the motor in. It has happened. It will happen. So just make it a habit of plugging it in as soon as you install it. Now I'm just catching the 4 bolts for the regulator itself, tighten that up, and then now the glass, I'm just putting in the glass goes in from the top, and then I'm catching the 2 screws at the base of the glass right there. If you notice, I do not use my impact on these 2 screws. It is definitely just hand tight with my ratchet, and that's it. We don't want no form of issues or anything. Now I'm putting the membrane back on. Now, for my loyal supporters, I am doing some giveaways for some stuff, gift cards, and then also tools, some stuff that you see me use in some of my videos. And to enter, email me at my rastamanbills@gmail.com and just put supporter in your message, and that will now enter you for the winning of the giveaways. Yeah, work. Yeah. So again, remember, just email me at my rastamanbills@gmail.com and just put supporters in the message, and that will qualify you for the winning. And it will be random. You could get a gift card, you could get some tools, whatever. I'll email you and let you know if you're a winner. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for coming along on the ride with me just to fix this. Boy, let me tell you, it took a little bit, but we got it. We got it. All right? Bless. Have a nice day.